Hello children, again your Amrita teacher is here. Today I am going to start with the political division of Europe. Let's begin.
Europe has 50 countries, with Russia being the largest one and Vatican City being the smallest. Most of these countries are grouped together according to their location, physiography, or political affiliation. These grouped countries are referred to by distinct names. We are going to start with the first one, that is Scandinavian countries. As you can see on the screen, Scandinavian countries include Norway, Sweden, Iceland, and Denmark. Norway and Sweden form the Scandinavian peninsula. Denmark is included in this group as it is historically, culturally, linguistically related to Norway and Sweden. Means Denmark is included in this group because it has been included in this group since ancient times. Historically means since ancient times. Culturally means cultures are same. And linguistically means language is also the same. Iceland is included due to its linguistic relation with the other countries, means Iceland's language is also common to those of Norway and Sweden. Sweden is the most industrialized countries. As you can see in the middle, Sweden is mentioned. So Sweden is the most industrialized country of Europe. It is also the leading producer of iron ore in Europe. Now the next one is Lapland. As you can see on the screen, Lapland includes the region that lies to the north of Arctic Circle. These include the northern part of Norway, as you can see Norway towards the upper side, Sweden, Kola Peninsula of Russia and Finland. So these four parts you have to remember. Here the Norway, here the Sweden, Kola Peninsula of Russia and Finland. Now, the next one is Nordic countries. Nordic countries, as you can see on the screen, these countries include the countries of Norway. Norway is here, Norway. Then Sweden, here Sweden. Denmark, Denmark is here. Then Iceland and Finland. Iceland and Finland. These countries are joined by their economic factors.